On this project today, we are in Sunnyvale, California, just down the street basically from Levi's Stadium where the 49ers play. This is a newly renovated office space and we got some scratches right there, as you can see, especially in the light at an angle from the lights overhead. They really stand out. So that's what we're here for. We're going to take care of it. We'll start by grinding the scratches out, getting to the bottom of those scratches and feathering it out.
Still a little bit more to go, but it's getting there. Right there. So the scratches that were right here, here, and here, they're gone now. Now it's just the scratches that I put in it. So now now I'm going to start with 180 grit and remove all of my scratches and just step it down grit by grit to a grit that I can polish out, or a scratch fine enough that polishes out. So now I'm moving on to 500 grit. All right, time for the next grit. You might be wondering why I'm going behind the film, the frosted film. That's because, well, the frosted film may not always be on there. So go all the way past it so that the repair is done, and if the film comes off later, then it's still scratch free. Thank you, mailman. Ready for polish. You may wonder why I use a different polisher for grinding and polishing. Well, I found that the Makita doesn't do good at lower speeds. It overheats pretty quickly. But this here Flex, it does great at low speeds. It stays nice and cool. I've tried to overheat it basically just to test it. It's good. stays just chugging along at low speeds. You don't, I don't polish at a high speed, and yeah, just again, the Makita seems to just overheat at that real lower speed. So all the scratches are gone. It's just some of the dust. You also may be wondering why I don't wear my respirator when I'm polishing. Well, there really isn't that much glass dust flying around in the air at this point. So I hate wearing the respirator. So here it is. But that looks fun on camera. Okay. And we got a tail or something. I'd put it right here, or right here, but that'd bug me. Right here, it gets caught on my respirator. I don't have that on. But you can probably hear me better. But probably not over the policy. So it's probably pointless that I'm talking right now. I'm wondering too how good you can actually see that this is polishing out if it's dark inside that room and bright up here. And for me, on this side, it's like, wow, I can see every little detail when it's dark behind, and I'm just looking at the reflection off of the lights that are shining on here. So I see a light right there, that's that one. And I can see every little tiny scratch in it right now. I don't know how it looks from the other side though. We'll see. I will turn the lights back on in there in just a second. Good old timer, motion detectors. I feel like a bum because I didn't know that I ran out of masking tape. So I had to I had some leftover garbage stuff left in my toolbox from the last job that I did. Usually I just throw it away. I didn't. I'm kind of glad I didn't because I reused it. But that's like total bum status. That's gross. I'm better than that. So was kind of like that, and then like that was the top edge. Probably see that that's gone, and looking up into the lights inside the room, I don't see a single thing except for that line on the inside, somebody's squeegee mark. Classic window washer. So, a little more cerium oxide. Yep, that's what I use. Cerium oxide. And my phone. Just thought I was talking to it. No thank you, AI assistant lady. Talking to myself, not you. Cerium is different than your name. Okay. Alright. I am working in Sunnyvale. If you didn't hear me, I said I should probably bring that package in because I'm working in Sunnyvale. If you don't know why I reference that, it's because Mark Rober lives in Sunnyvale. Porch pirate guy. Yep, I'll bring that in. Unless it's a glitter bomb, that would suck. I pick it up and it just throws all kinds of stuff at me. It's right address. There we go. Not today, Porch Pirate. Not today. I'll do the rest below that off camera because you can't even see it. So on camera that is. But I will definitely polish it out. I'm not gonna leave it hazy because that'd be worse than having a scratch. So, but you can't see it, so it's not entertaining at all. So I was just thinking, it'd be kind of funny if I wasn't the only one in this office right now. I haven't checked, so it'd be weird if I'm just talking to myself. Some guys in his office over there doing some coding. I don't know. It's like, who's this guy talking to? Is he talking to me? When he's kind of scared to come out because I'm kind of weird. Makes sense. I wouldn't talk to him. I wonder if you can hear my music. Because if you can, it makes this clip useless. Can't put it on the YouTube, can't put it on the green, the book. Personal video, I guess. Maybe I'll turn it on. Hopefully you can hear it. Maybe the mic pickers it up. It's my wife calling time. Answer it. Yellow. Huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, basically. Sure. Let me stop the recording of me, though, so that... No, it's okay. So... There we go. Now the mic is connected. So, before I was recording while the camera was in the other room behind this glass, and you couldn't see this right here, but because of the frosted film. So now I'm going to polish this right here. It's mostly polished, but I want to make sure it's all good right there. You couldn't see it from the other side, so that's why I didn't do it while the camera's over there. Check it with a flashlight to see if I got it all. Yep, there's a little bit right there still. Got it. Alright. It's basically right there. There it is. Got it. Alright. Almost. When you can't see it when grinding, you don't know if you really got it all sanded out good enough. And so now going to polish. Probably should have grinded a little bit more. There we go.
Right, it's all done. The background's all blurry, out of focus because I'm focusing on the glass. Scratches were right there where I was just pointing. Not anymore. They are all gone. Brand new glass. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow all those good things if you'd like to watch more of this content.